Come on. See the grass? I need you to get used. Stop rubbing your face on the grass like that. And some dogs, they like to roll in the grass, but what he's doing is trying to get this muzzle off. For the record, the reason I have it on him is because of my neighbors. Want to take him out, he barks so loud. And this could be cause for me giving him up before I even have a chance to try to train him or get him used and get him used to outside. I can even be evicted as well, but that's not my first concern. They don't put people to sleep for being mentally ill, but he has separation anxiety and agoraphobia. And I'm trying to give him, forgot what that therapy is. I don't know, is it aversion therapy? Well, I don't know. Next time.